Hey, welcome back to another video from La Hueva. Today I'm going to show you something super basic but really important. How to turn on and turn off the Y13 smartwatch, one of the best selling model on TEMU. We already made a quick review this watch on the channel, so if you haven't seen that video yet, go check it out. I will leave the link right here. But let's get straight into the point. How do you turn this thing on and off? Super simple. This little button on the side, that's the only way to do it. To turn it on, press and hold the button for about 5 seconds until you see the logo on the screen, and that's it. Your watch will turn on. To turn it off, press the same button again, but just for 2 seconds. This time you will see an option that says slide off, and you just need to swipe it off to shut it down. And that's it. Easy, right? This method works on a lot of similar watches too. If this video helps you out, don't forget to leave a like, comment and share it with others. It really helps us out to grow and reach more people. Take care, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.